You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from Judaism, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more for you. Pronounced Tikkun, meaning repair. Tikkun Olam, meaning the world. This is a concept which refers to various forms of making the world a better place. Tikkun Olam, Hebrew pronunciation. In English, similarly, Tikkun Olam is how you can pronounce it. Tikkun Olam. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.